Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use ChatGPT for SEO content. So let's get right into it. So with this one guys, you can use this using the GPT-4 with the ChatGPT Plus subscription, and make sure that on the lower left corner settings in beta and beta features, make sure that plugins are enabled because we will need that. So once done with that, you will need to install these two plugins, SEO Assistant and AI SEO Repurposer. So once done with that, go over to the plugin store here. So go ahead and go over to the plugin store, the bottom, and search for SEO. And just install this SEO Assistant and AI SEO Repurposer. And once you're done with that, with the SEO Assistant, you can use this to generate search engine keyword information so that you can create content with the popular keywords that are trending right now. So for example, in this one, uh, I asked to generate search engine keywords for the movie niche, and it generated this one that will help you in creating content with this. So all you have to do is copy what I did, and this plugin used is the SEO Assistant. Make sure also that you enable a plugin one by one so that it won't get overlap. So for example, you want to use that feature, you should only use this one, SEO Assistant. There. So for the second plugin, this plugin actually enables you to repurpose a video. So as you can see in the description, it converts any article or YouTube video. So article or YouTube video into blogs, tweets, email scripts, press releases, landing pages, and more. So basically anything you want for the media as well. So as you can see, I linked this video, a random video here that asked this plugin to work. So as you can see, repurpose this video and I provided the link, and as you can see, it generated this one for a script. So it will ask you if you want it to be a script also, as you can see in the question here. And there guys, so there guys, that is how you can use this feature. That is how you can use ChatGPT for SEO content. So thank you for watching and goodbye.